Hi, I'm Bailey. I'm a butterfly way ranger with the David Suzuki Foundation.
Get into the game.
And today we're making bee bombs. What are bee bombs? Bee bombs are a mixture of wildflower seeds, soil, and clay. And why are we making bee bombs? To attract pollinators so that you can have a garden. Pollinators are responsible for 1 in 3 bites of the food that we eat, like carrots, apples, onions. Pretty much most fruits and vegetables, fruit trees, the feed that we feed our livestock, our animals. So pollinators are integral to our existence on planet Earth. So we need to support them because many of these populations are in decline. And so what we're trying to do is create pollinator pathways of host plants and nectar plants for all kinds of pollinators like bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and even tiny little insects. So there's many things we can do, and making bee bombs is a great way to get involved. So now, let's make some bombs. First ingredient we're gonna need is clay. The clay coats the seeds, protecting it from insects and birds. Potting soil. This will add a little bit of nutrition for the seeds when they germinate. And also the clay will help the seed retain moisture. I like to do them about the size of like a ball of cookie dough that you'd put on a cookie sheet. And there you have it. We've got them wet, so we gotta let them dry for about a day or two. And then the real fun begins. When they're dry, they'll look like this, and that's when we get to bomb them. Before you plant your bee bomb, make sure you prep your soil. I got my bee bombs. 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 I got my bee. Hi. Hello, my name is Bailey. Hi, I'm Bailey. My thing's getting so hard. I'm a butterfly, and I am a butterfly way ranger. For God's sake, you're the one making me laugh. Before you plant your stuff, before you plant your bee, stop laughing. One more time. Before you plant your bee bomb. They're also responsible for the food for all of the animals, the pigs, the chickens, the eagles. You know, we can really provide, Dan, there's a butterfly right there. We just had a butterfly visitor. Do you want me to swoop my head or something?